Low float PLCE stock lost around 15% yesterday, the 14th of April 2025. Unchanged right now in this pre-market session. Given the plunge it printed, we can see on its daily chart that there are a couple of upper projections. We have 9.85, 10.99, and 11.70. Given that the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 day moving averages is to the downside, they are also still suggesting rebound potentials. They're still suggesting rebound potentials. So for its 10-day moving average, the the most okay, the next projection of that moving average is 6.93, which is a decent a decent upside potential based on the current price of 5.75 that is currently trading at right now. And for its 21-day moving average, that projection is 7.76, still suggesting that a rebound potential is still very much on the cards, just validating what you know very well. But at the same time, the price pressure momentum, which measures the angle of attack of its 10-day moving average, is suggesting that weakness will continue up till when? Up till this week, sometime this week, maybe towards the end of the week, it might begin to some strength might come back in. Based on this daily chart. Let's quickly have a look at the 4-hour chart and see what's going on. The 4-hour chart obviously is always constantly updated, apart from maybe on Sundays, but always updated. So yeah, it's we've seen some consolidation so far, but weakness is expected to remain in place. I might even decline further by today's trading session, today the 15th, and momentum might begin to pick up and up till Wednesday. So given, like I said earlier on, even though the projections of its 10 and 21 period moving averages is to the downside, but there's also still they still reflecting some upside potentials. So here, do we have upper projections? Yes, we have 7.3 and 7.56. So the stock is a low float, currently trending right now. There is no guarantee that a rebound will happen in this anytime soon. Already, the stock was in decline. Earlier on, as of Friday, the 11th, it got a rejection. It got a rejection, a rebound rejection at 7.57. So that also still remains, if you like, an upper projection, 7.57, but not in place, 7.55, and then 7.28. There's no guarantee that all of those will print. If you like, there are even higher projections that are not in play at the moment. We have all the way here 11.59, 11.03, down here 10.67, down here 10.37, and quite a lot on this 4-hour chart. So just know what's doing. We could actually have a look at its 1 minute chart to see what has happened so far. What has happened so far? Okay, yeah. At various times, yes, we have at various times we saw it. So okay, given what is happening right now, given that it lost 15%, the loss was actually more than that. It was actually more than that. So I don't think it's currently trading so far. It doesn't trade in the post market session. It doesn't. It doesn't. Yeah, there's no action on the stock in the post market session, and also in the pre market session. Maybe it's not one of those stocks that trades in the post market session. So upside potential there, but don't bank on that. The fact that it has printed some of these prices there, the probability of it printing, I would say, all the way towards 9.25 is absolutely there. To the highs of 9.25, maybe less than 10%. To the highs, to a rebound towards a 6.3, maybe something like 30%. Yeah, just have a look and see what you make of PLCE, and thank you very much for watching this video.